Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I'm on YouTube and Facebook, so the eyes will go from back, like side to side. I'm going to do a quick makeup look and then I'm going to do some swatches because I have been busy and I hope you enjoy all of these. Who remembers these? So these are eyeshadow sticks and I've got loads of them. I've just been finding them in all my boxes. So I've got the old NYX Jumbo pencils, which I used to love. I've got a load of Max Factor ones from a long time ago. I don't think you can get these anymore. Then I've got all of these ones that are like different brand ones. We'll go through them all. These ones are current. I got these at Superdrug the other day, so we'll have a play with them. But I'm going to do a quick makeup look first, and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start with this here, which I don't usually use. Now I have tried it and it is very nice. It's L'Oreal, it's Glass Skin, it's the Revitalift. And I'm going to go with like a creamy look for today. Feel how dry my hands are. So this is the Glass Skin. And by the way, this smells so nice if you haven't tried it already. I'm just looking. Do you know what? I've got boxes all over with makeup in, and I try and put it in like some sort of order because did the Lucky Dips. I'm going to do a Lucky Dip for you on YouTube. And if you want one on here, I will do one. Please let us know. Leave a message. Leave a comment. The Lucky Dips are basically, I do not know what I'm picking, I promise, and I've got to just pick into different tubs and make a look with what I get, and I can't put it back. I'm stuck. Some of them were horrific and I found them really hard to do, but they're just so funny. Okay, so I'm going to do one for old time's sake. If it works and people enjoy it, I might do some more. But I'm looking and I've found like things that shouldn't be in that one, so I've got my head all, I'm sitting on the floor in my jeans. Because landscape, YouTube and Facebook is portrait, you get to see more. I think Facebook's a little bit more personal. I feel like it's a bit more personal, where it is not that, doesn't have that feel on YouTube. But I tell you what, I just want to thank you all for all the lovely messages. So on Facebook, I always got lovely messages, haven't I? I absolutely love my friends on Facebook. I've been on there for years now, haven't I? Got quite a big following on there, considering it's only little old me. So I always get lovely messages, and then I've just started posting on YouTube again, and honestly the messages are just so lovely, and I want to say thanks. I want to say thank you because you've made me day, like you've made me week. Coming back on YouTube, I feel like I'm so welcomed, so I appreciate it. Seriously, they're just lovely on there. Feels weird talking to two different audiences, but because I've had to do my cameras at different angles, it's very odd. Let's go. Now I think because I'm in a creamy mode, because I've got my eyeshadow sticks out, which I'm going to do some swatches for you for. I've got a load of MAC pigment swatches coming up. All the Barry M Dazzle Dusts, remember them all? We'll do some swatches. It's all for fun. I've got loads of old eyeshadows. I've got eyeshadow palettes we'll do swatches on. Yeah, we'll just have some fun, and I'm going to see if I've got some collections, because I know there's some die-hard makeup collectors out there who will just be like me, and they'll have old collections that you can't get anymore. That's why I don't show you, because no point in saying, oh look at that, you can't have it. That's why I don't even like showing in my Vaseline, because it's not available. It's not mine. I've created a hat that's inspired this product. I need to say that. But it is in Thailand selling at the minute, and I can't get you it yet. So if there's enough interest globally, it's going to go global. I'm excited about all it. It is, yes. Right, let's go. So I'm thinking, I've got two options. So I've put me, look at that. That's the L'Oreal Glass Skin. And I'm going to go in with that, which is Be Perfect. You can use my code. It is BP Lauren. Look, I'll stick it under both videos for you. Up to 20% off. On anything Be Perfect, so it's handy if you want to try the brand and you want a bit discount. Now I've got Rose Glow here. That's the primer I'm going to use. I usually use Champagne, but I'm going to use Rose. It's more of a pinky tone. I'm going to pop a little bit there, look, just showing up close. Just yeah. So I had a dream. Speaking of up close, I had a dream that my mum bought us this humongous camera equipment for YouTube. And it had like tons and tons of buttons, and I was like, oh my god, I'm going to be able to create the best videos ever with this machine. This like bought this camera. It was like, because I used to film on a Canon PowerShot, right, and you'd get really good close-ups. But because I don't film through, I don't like connect to my laptop or my iMac. I use my phones, so I use my phone's screen. But really, years ago, I used to do the Canon PowerShot, and the quality was brilliant. Like, seriously, out of this world. So I just like, but the one she bought me in the dream was, I think it was like Panasonic something. I don't know. It was a dream. It doesn't make sense. And it can't make sense because my mum is no longer with her, bless her. So she won't be buying us camera equipment for me YouTube. But it was such a weird dream. And I remember thinking, wow, this is so amazing. I'm going to be able to now create amazing videos. The lighting's going to be brilliant. And I remember thinking, God, there's so many buttons and I haven't got a clue how to edit or like work anything out. And I'm not very good at technology. And I was thinking, God, I've got a lot of learning to do to get these videos right. Anyway, time's flying on. I'm going to have to crack on and get ready because the videos, you've got to keep them down. So I'm thinking, do an eyeshadow base of, I'm going to go with, this is new. Let's keep it simple. This is L'Oreal. And this is the eyeshadow stick, LA eyeshadow stick in Twinkly Rose. I'm going to do some full-on swatches for you, but there you go. Look at that. Isn't that lush? Let's keep this look simple to go with my outfit today. I don't usually wear jeans, but these are the stretchy ones for my big tummy at the moment. I have eaten a lot. Now, where's my mirror? It's over there. Great. I'll have to use... I've got a bigger one. Go with Legacy. Is that one in there? Yeah. Right. Okay, so I'm going to get this on. This is the eyeshadow stick in Twinkly Rose by L'Oreal. I love creamy products, so this is going to be great. I'm going to just pop that on like that. With my finger, I'm going to put that right up. I got a couple of other ones I'll show you. They're all new. They're there. I checked. They're still available for you in the store. There was a couple of colours I didn't get, but I wanted to get. But I had a handful of them, and the ones I wanted, you know, when someone's played with them already and they're smashed. So I was like, I'm not buying that because it sold out the colour I wanted. So I'm going to go back in another time and pick it up. But I don't know what colour it was. But it was very rosy, very nice, very nice. I'm just going to go up, up, up. To keep it simple today. Why is that like that? Might need to brush it out. So that's on there. I need a fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with, this is the Legacy palette by Be Perfect. I do like it. So you've got your creamies, your mattes and your shimmers. I love creamy. Okay, now I'm going to go in with, no, I'm not. I'm going to go in this one. Yeah. Just a bit. Can't even see what I'm doing. Can tell, but I'm going to push that out. Adding a bit of something to it. I just pop that on there like that. Just pack it in. You can use your fingers as well. You don't have to use brushes. I'm just going to pack it on. So I've got a little bit of a background. Then I've got a little bit of shimmer on top. Keep it kind of light in the inner corner. And I'm going to put something dark outer corner. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this one. This one's a bit darker. Just a bit. And then I'm going to put like a matte brown underneath. I'm literally just shoving it on. Yeah, I'm shoving it on. There's no rules in makeup, and I think that's why I love it so much. Because it doesn't matter what you do, as long as you're happy with the outcome. I keep getting hounded, you know, by insurance people telling us that I'm going to die and I need to upload my policy and stuff. And it's horrible calls to have all day long, you know, and they're still ringing us. I don't like that at all. So Martin's busy sorting it out. It's proper cold calling and it's so wrong. I hate them. for doing that. But well, I'm not the only one that get them, I suppose. Now I'm going to go in with the pencil brush here for this bit, and I've probably got enough underneath. I want to get a little bit of this brown here. It's very, very gentle. I'm going to show you up close so you can have a little look. Very powdery, very gentle. Look at that. It's gorgeous. This palette's just lush. Don't forget you can use my code. It's 20% off. BP Lauren Luke. Oh, I like that. What, that was not the right one. I nearly went in a dark one. Dark one. All right. Just enough to just accentuate the bottom here. Also brings your eyes out a little bit. I do have a white liner by MAC here, but I think I prefer a more creamy nakedy colour, and I'm sure I've got one from Be Perfect, but I'm going to use this anyway because I don't have it to hand. Do I? No, I don't. This is MAC. This is the white one. Fantastic. No, this is fascinating. Look at it. And that's it on the back of my hand. I've just kind of, you know, put a little bit there. Just a little bit. Just to make it open up a bit. There we go. Look at that. Hey, I've got a big eye compared to me little one. We are going to do hooded and eyeglasses. Glasses wearing makeup. I have 2 friends who've offered to take part. So that is lovely of them. We should do that. I haven't forgot. Bear with us. I'm going to just get some mascara on now. Where is my mascara? It's in front of us. I've just seen it. I have just seen it. Where have I put it? No. Where have I put it? Oh, there. It's right in front of us. Seriously, Lauren. Okay. Get this on. And then I want a quick, simple cheek and lip. Really nothing. I've got something for the brows, which I don't usually use, but I've just found. So I'm a bit excited about it. I think it's by Collection 2000. See how this look? It's just so quick, except it's me that's dragging it out by talking. But if you were on your own, right, and you can just look at the different colours going on. And I love that background, the L'Oreal one. And there's a one I can't wait to use. I don't have a lot of colouring in, so it's good because you can add your own on your cheeks and stuff. I think with this colour eyeshadow, I would probably go with a more bronzed look more than a blush. I might stick a bit more mascara on. Now, a lot of people ask why I don't put mascara on underneath, and that's because I have wrinkles. And with all good intentions and the best mascaras in the world, it can sometimes smudge down there and then end up with like a dark patch, which isn't good for me. I don't like it. So I tend not to put it there. I like to keep it just above and keep my eyes open rather than like too much. But I do now and again. And when I went to Thailand and they did my makeup, they did bottom and top. And funny enough, it did stay. But you did put a lot of concealer down here. And I think it was very powdered, so it didn't smudge. Because I use a lot of cream product, I feel like it's going to mix. So just, yeah, if you're going to do it, put some powder underneath and set it. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, quick. Right, I got these lip glosses. These are Maybelline. And I love them. They're the lifter ones. Hyaluronic acid. God, I need to put my teeth back in. A joke. Just in case anyone thinks. But there we go. This one is Reef 006. And this one I got yesterday. And it's Bubblegum number 24. And I'm thinking Reef's probably going to be the best one because of the colour. Let's just get that on. Look at that. It's a lift. Oh my God. Look at it. Now, my lips are quite thin. So I find it hard to show off the lip product on them. But as you can see, there it is. I might put a little bit of this on the cheek. But first, where have I put it? There it is. Bronzer Tan. So this is the Be Perfect one. It's very creamy and I'm going to quickly use it if I can find it. I'm going to use this brush. This is the Real Technique brush. Just a bit of bronze. This is just like super quick. Boy, that round bit. And then I'll put a bit of glow on the cheeks. But as you can see, that glass, the L'Oreal glass, is coming through. I've got a glow. I want the brown, like the bronze underneath here. So this one's in tan. I've got one in tea, but it's a bit darker, so I would always just use it for a night out, not necessarily a daytime. But this is really good colour for me, in case anyone is my skin tone and they want to know. I use tan and I love it. I'm nearly out. Well, I'm not nearly out, but I want to get another one in just in case. Let's go. Nope. I don't want too much shimmer, actually, thinking about it. So I'm going to use... What am I going to use? Put a bit of this on. Peach. Keep it peachy. Same brush. It doesn't matter. There's not a lot on there. This is MAC, and this one I think is Groovy. Yes, it is. It's Groovy. It's a Glow Play brush. Spongy, spongy. Really nice. Just a little bit. And then I want to put this on my eyebrows. This is a long video. This is the Vitamin C Brow Gel by Collection. And it just, look. So if you put makeup on, your eyebrows can get a little bit dusty, whatever colour they are. And this just kind of combs them and gets them just right, ready to go. I'm done. I think I want some more mascara. I do. I've decided. I'm not doing it into the, I'm doing it into the camera, so it probably won't work, but I can kind of figure where my lashes are there. I'm happy with that. That's a bit better. And then up here, because it's such a light eyeshadow look, I want a bit more. There we go. I'm just doing it in the camera, so it might be a bit funny. I'll check in the mirror in a minute. Done. There we go. Different. I hope you've enjoyed. I will do some swatches next. I need to bring this down into me. Quite pale. I need to get some tan again on. I took the last lot off. I need to put some more on. Right. I hope you have a lovely day. And thanks for watching. If you want more, let us know. Leave us a comment. See you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.